Hey girl, what's good, what's up, what's happening? It's your favorite back with another video. Yes, today is Wednesday. I don't know what date it is off the top of my head. It's sometime in June right now. I believe this is the last week. I don't know what exact date it is. Anyways, we're back here with another episode of my life, okay? Let me tell y'all what's going on, okay? We're going to Orlando this weekend. I'm excited. I had never been to any Disney park or any Disney anything, so this is so exciting. So I'm taking y'all, but before we go, today's Wednesday. We're scheduled to fly on Friday, so we're just gonna be there for the weekend. So I am starting the process of I gotta do my hair, you see it right now, so that's what I'm about to get into right now. And then it's kind of late, so you know I'm gonna do a tutorial. I'm so excited. Hair's done. Super cute. Yes, ready to go. I'm all packed. Oh, quick thing. If you guys want a hair tutorial or you guys want, you know, the tips on this hair, just click in the description box below. I put the link right in there because you know one thing about your girl, she gonna do her hair. And I'm loving this. I went for some passion twists and I think they're really cute. Anyways, that's not what we're here for. So it is now time to go. It's morning time. I gotta get to the airport. I'm having my sister drop me off so she can keep the car. So enough talking. Oh, let me show you what I'm wearing. So just wearing something simple. I've got this two-piece that I got from Shein. It's really cute. I think that's a really cute airport fit. And I got some Vans on and my bag, and I'm out of here. So upon arrival in Orlando, I do recommend you guys to order an Uber to Disney World. It's about 30 minutes away. You're not really going to need a car, especially if you're staying, you know, within the Disney World hotels. You're definitely not going to need a car. They have shuttles and, you know, buses to take you all around. We stayed at the Signa Hotel by the Hilton. It was really, really nice. It was built with amazing amenities. As you can see, this is what our room and bathroom look like. But my favorite was the pool, okay? The pool area was amazing. They had like a 360 pool with tubings or tubbings. How do you pronounce it? Tubbing. I don't know. I don't speak English. But really, my favorite part was the breakfast. Girl, let me tell you. Long story short, you guys should stay at the Signa Hotel. You could, you know, we booked our room to come with breakfast. So we had brochures every morning. We stay there. The breakfast was amazing. So if you go to Disney World, guys, go and stay at the Signa Hotel. It was pretty affordable. And as you can see, you know, actually the breakfast is buffet. So it's unlimited food. All right. Y'all. So it is the first official day here in Orlando. We are getting ready to go to the parks. We're staying at the I showed you guys, we're staying at the Signa by Hilton. It's pretty nice over here. They have a really cool pool and stuff. So a few tips if you've never been here. This is my first time, so I'm gonna give you guys tips as I'm going. So you always want to make sure you're cashless. So make sure all your money is on your card because they don't take any cash. Oh, my hair. Uh-oh. Okay, it came off. Okay, like I was saying, you want to make sure everything is on your card. There are basically cashless. Reserve in advance. Our issue right now is that we didn't reserve. We didn't buy tickets early enough, so now we're kind of dealing with that. But yes, guys, so we're getting ready to go. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Let me show you guys my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing. I know it's not park friendly, but these shoes, I could like backflip in them, so I should be comfortable. So just something cozy and cute, and yeah, it's giving. Yeah, what y'all think? I think it's pretty cute. Oh my gosh. Yes. So now we're gonna get ready to go. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on everything we do and give you guys some pointers. Like I said, first pointer of the day is make sure you have everything on your card, no cash. They don't do any cash. And second tip is please reserve your park, well, have your park reservations in advance. We didn't know. I didn't do my research before even coming up here. Very unlike me, but it's okay. We're making it up right now. So, yeah, let's go and have a little fun with Minnie Mouse. You ready to go see Minnie Mouse?
Yeah!
Yes! See, no. No. I don't do that. I don't do that. No. I don't do that. No. Okay guys, so like I mentioned earlier, be sure to book your activities in advance. We didn't, so we were stuck having to buy the park hop, which is basically the option that lets you go to different Disney parks, but in only 24 hours. But you know, if you go on the website, you will see all the prices and breakdown. And like I said, it's always better to book in advance because, you know, look at that. That's the price for one day at a park, you know, and where you see the 1, 2, 3 basically means how many days you'll be staying. So the more days, the cheaper, but that's the price per day. And then they also have different pass options, you know, like the 1 day. So like I said, if you book in advance, these are the prices. You know, that's the price breakdown. It shows you how much it would be on which day, and the park hop option, which is what we got, and it costs us $1.99 each because we bought it the same day. But as you can see, if you book it in advance, it's a whole different price. So make sure you go online and check their prices before you pay for anything. All right. So because of our park hop, we had to go to well, not multiple, we had to try and fit everything in one day, and guys, that is exhausting. Okay, so we started with the Animal Kingdom, which is pretty cool. We tried to go to all of them. Disney has 4 parks, and that's Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood Studios, but we were only able to make it to 2 parks in one day, and that is because guys, it is so many people. It's crowded. It's lines for everything. And I mean, even for the rides, the line can be up to 80 minutes just to do a ride. So guys, if you're gonna go for the park hop pass, make sure you start your day as soon as these parks open so that you can enjoy everything, because the lines can get crazy. They also have a skip a line option, which is $15 added on top of the price. So you know, that's also on the website. You can go and figure it out there, which is better for you. We couldn't because you have to schedule slots. It's a lot. So make sure you take your time, go on the Disney website and take your time with the tickets. And also, if you want to do the skip the line, it's also included there. They also have an app, so you can download the Disney app, which makes everything easier. But enough about the tickets. Let's get into the fun of it. So we are at the Animal Kingdom, and this is what it went a little like. Do you see them? Oh, they're right there. Look. Oh, that's the urchin. Look at that. Look at that. You see them? Yeah, come see. Look at him. Oh my God, look at him. Look at that. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Animal Kingdom is basically a big old zoo, in my opinion, which I really enjoyed. I'm so bummed because we didn't really get the chance to even get to the rides because they have amazing, roller coasters and things like that. But like I said, we didn't realize what we was getting into. So the lines were too long to do anything. So we just kind of went for, eyesights and stuff. One thing I really did want to do, but we didn't get the chance to do was the safari ride. You're basically in the car and you're driving through the zoo. So it's like a live zoo. So that's definitely an activity I suggest you guys do when you're at the Animal Kingdom. So, like I told you guys earlier, Disney is awesome with the transportation. They have shuttles that just take you all around the park, and here we are on our way to Magic Kingdom. So the People Mover was one of those rides that were pretty easy to get on because it was, as you can see, it's like just carts moving around, and it kind of just really didn't stop. It just kept moving. So like as we're going, people are walking out, people are coming in. So it was just like an ongoing ride. So I do recommend that, if you don't feel like staying in line for hours, that is one of the rides that will just keep on moving, and it was a little fun. It was a little fun actually. So guys, a quick pointer, these rides that you see us on right now are basically some of the rides that you can go to that are pretty fast paced as far as the waiting line. They move pretty quickly, so that's how we were able to even get on them. Most of them are pretty long. Like the more fun ones take way longer, but these were what we could do at the moment, you know, and it was also about to rain. So we just kind of had to like get what we could and then get up out of there.
How do I get up here? Hold chair. Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. Moving on.
And for our second day, we decided to go ahead and check out SeaWorld, which was an amazing experience. The ticket cost us each $125, but they seem to have discounts all the time. So like on this day, they had a 25% off. So it's a pretty good price, but this is kind of what my experience went like at SeaWorld. So initially we had booked a dolphin encounter where you basically take pictures with them and pet them, and that was $25 extra on top of the ticket. But it started raining and they had a lightning warning where nobody could be in the water, so we had to take shelter, and luckily they had an underwater aquarium where you can interact with the dolphins. So I thought that was really cute. And thank you so much for watching. That concludes today's video. I hope it was informative to you guys. And if you enjoyed it, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch y'all on my next video.